أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn the lesson number 11 of Madni Qaida. The lesson number 11 is about sukoon, which we call jazm. This sign is sukoon or jazm. As we have already learned, this sign is called sukoon or jazm. A letter which has a sukoon on it is called sakina. Sakina letter, silent letter. The letter which has a sukoon is pronounced with the mutaharrika letter coming before it. Always pronounce hamza sakina with a sudden pause. Like this. This is hamza sakina, so we pronounce it like with a sudden pause. Alif hamza fatha a. Alif hamza kasra I. Alif hamza dama u. A I u. We pronounce hamza and alif which have sukoon or jazm with a sudden pause. We will start. The first letter is alif and ta. Alif ta. Alif ta fatha at. Alif ta kasra it. Alif ta dama ut. At, it, ut. This is a ta. Ta pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. The next one word has tra. Tra. Tra also pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth, but it is a qalqala letter. There are 5 qalqala letters. Tra is one of them. Tra is a letter of qalqala. The meaning of qalqala is movement. There should be some movement in the makharij when pronouncing these letters such that the sound echoes. When the letters of qalqala are sakina, qalqala should be more clear. Alif ta fatha at. Alif ta kasra it. We move the qalqala letter. Alif ta kasra ut. Alif at it ut. At it ut. Dal is also a qalqala letter. Dal is also a qalqala letter. Alif dal fatha ad. Alif dal kasra id. Alif dal dama ud. Ad, id, ud. Qaf. Qaf is also a qalqala letter. Alif qaf fatha aq. Alif qaf kasra iq. Alif qaf dama uq. Aq, iq, uq. The qaf with 2 dots is the letter of qalqala. This one qaf will not a qalqala letter. This one qaf is not a qalqala letter. There are 5 letters of qalqala. Qaf, ta, this one ba, dal and jim. Jim is also a qalqala letter. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal are qalqala letters. Alif jim fatha aj. Alif jim kasra ij. Alif jim dama uj. Aj, ij, uj. These are qalqala letters. We only move our sound when we pronounce qalqala letters. The other letters are pronounced simply. Alif za fatha az. Alif za kasra is. Alif za dama uz. Az, is, uz. Az, is, uz. Both za and zal are different. Az, is, uz. As, is, us. A, ur. A, ur. This one is ain. Ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. Im, If you want that your children learn Quran with proper tajweed and correct tajweed, then contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is shown on the screen. Allah Hafiz.